Hello, we are DKNG Studios. We're a design agency based in California. My name is Dan Colkin.
I'm Nathan Goldman, and today we're going to talk about tips and tricks of how we work.
Most of our work is known in the music industry. We make a lot of gig posters for bands. That kind of led into a lot of different design opportunities.
And throughout our career, we found that because we're just a two-person team, we really need to focus on maximizing the time we have to spend on work and being as efficient as possible with how we run our business.
In this class, we're actually not going to be creating any projects. We're actually going to be looking more into the inside of our company, how we work as a business.
We'll be covering a range of how we work, including how we work together internally as far as dealing with our files, how we work externally with clients and vendors, and then finally how we present and market our work to the world. This is a topic that's exciting for us because we always love talking to our peers about learning how to be more efficient. So we're hoping this is the beginning of a conversation where you can get some insight into how we work together, how we run our business, and also we'd love to learn from you as far as any tips that you might have to share.
We feel it's important to thrive as an artist. In order to do so, you really need to focus beyond just being creative. You need to look internally and see how you can succeed as a business person. And we feel like this class is really going to open the doors up to how you can thrive fully and have a very lengthy career. I'm so fond of this.
I love working.